My name's Chris Nelson, founder of Rolling Fortunes, and if you have a website but you need more visitors, you should be doing blogging. I've used blog writing for the last 20 years of my marketing strategy alongside YouTube videos, email marketing, social media marketing, influencers, paid advertising, and more to drive over $100 million to various e-commerce retail websites. And in this video, I'm going to show you the strategy that I've developed to supercharged blog writing. So if you're already doing blog writing, good job. I'm going to show you how to take a process that used to take all day. Now I can do it in about an hour. The strategy involves taking a YouTube video that's chock full of content related to your website or your brand or your message, converting it to text using AI-empowered tools, and then turning it into a blog. Step one is make or find a YouTube video that you have permission to download and pull the transcript out using an AI video editor called Descript. Step two is take that transcript, have ChatGPT summarize it, pulling out bullet points, main themes, and an executive summary of the content. Step three is take that entire transcript and rewrite it for blog format. Step four is embed the original video, embed screenshots for illustrations, and publish. To listen to a video that's 4 to 20 minutes long and transcribe it and rewrite it used to take a very long time. But now we can do this whole process very quickly. So let's dive in first by selecting a YouTube video. Now on my Rolling Fortunes YouTube channel, I made this funny video a little while ago about margaritas. So what you do is you get the URL for the video. You go to a YouTube video downloader. I like to use this one, but they're actually all a little sketchy, so be careful. These kind of YouTube video downloaders are full of what's called ad traps. When you click and you paste and you do different things, it pops up with different ads and different pages. Be really, really careful that you're only clicking on the things that you mean to click. In this case, I'm going to click the 720.mp4 download. When I do, it's going to open up a new tab. It wants me to click on things and buy things. I don't want any of that. I'm going to close that pop-up, and then we're going to open a software called Descript. If you go to rollingfortunes.com, go to Portfolio, and click AI Tools Resources, scroll down just a little bit, and under the Video Talking to Text AI Transcription Tools section, you have Descript, Video Editor with AI Transcription Function. You click the link, you go to the Descript website, you sign up, you download it, and then you can import your video file into Descript. So now we're looking at Descript. In the Descript software, you do choose a file to transcribe. You select the video file that you just downloaded, and then it says set transcription language, and then you can see it says transcribing. Your transcript will be ready in a few minutes. Now, I've learned that a 1-minute video doesn't take that long to transcribe, so I'll pause and I'll be back in just a second. All right, now we're back. That only took about 45 seconds, and you can see in this section you have the transcription. It's not a long video. I'm going to copy that entire thing, and then I'm going to put it in my blog software, but in this case, for demonstration, I'm going to put it in Microsoft Word. And then you can kind of see what it looks like. It's not that big. And if I just took this and just dumped it into a blog, there's not a whole lot here. So I'm actually going to start into step 3, which is using ChatGPT to help me expand on this and rewrite it to make a more interesting blog. The thing is, when you download a transcript from a YouTube video, it's people talking. It's very conversational. That's not really how you write blog articles. So we can use ChatGPT to rewrite a transcript to be less conversational, more summarizing, and more persuasive. So again, if we go to rollingfortunes.com to the AI tools section, scroll down a little bit further, and we have ChatGPT, click Learn More, and then we have the chatbot. Now remember, I've already copied the entire transcript. So now on step 3, all we have to do is ask ChatGPT to do something for us. A lot of people think that you can only use ChatGPT to ask it questions to get crazy, interesting answers. But we can actually put this robot to work. So we're going to say, rewrite this video transcript about margaritas to be less conversational, more instructional, and add persuasive writing elements as if for use in a blog article, I'm going to give it a little space, and I'm going to paste the transcript right there. I've got something at the end here that I don't want in there. I'm going to hit enter and just let it do its thing. So the cool thing about using Descript is it uses AI technology to analyze what you're saying. Because sometimes transcription softwares can't tell exactly what you said if you slur or you mumble or you have an accent. And so it looks at what you said over here and what you said over here, and it tries to decide what you probably said in the middle where it couldn't hear you or understand you. So now that we have a perfect transcript, we bring it into ChatGPT, we control paste, we give it some basic instructions, and voila. We're going to let ChatGPT do its thing, and then we're going to take this and, now we can't just copy and paste this directly out of ChatGPT. That would actually be copyright infringement because you didn't write this. A robot wrote it, and the robot is owned by OpenAI. So technically, this is the work by OpenAI. As you can see, it's taking my really short video transcript idea and expanding on it to make something a little bit more meaningful that somebody would actually want to read. But you can also have it include different keywords. So if you have a keyword that you're actually trying to include, you can also tell ChatGPT to include keywords and similar keywords to this and this and this. So now that we're done, we're going to copy this whole thing. Look at it, even gave us a title, Margaritas, the perfect cocktail recipe. We're going to copy it. We're going to bring it into our Word document. The next thing that you're going to want to do is actually go back to the video and grab a couple screenshots. Okay, so if you use a tool like Snipping Tool, or you hit the print screen button, you're going to be able to pull images from the video. Obviously, I'm just kind of doing it at random, but you can sort of think about for yourself, what image do you think would be a good illustration? In this one, there's actually a section where we show the mixing of each item. So we could grab this shot where we're mixing that ingredient and put it into the blog. And this video shows different things. And so it doesn't take a whole lot to turn a video transcription of a topic into an SEO keyword-rich blog. Now just add your hyperlinks, change a little bit so this is your content, not copied from somebody else, and post it. You can literally do this with any topic. If you have a vacuum cleaner store and you want to create an article about how to change belts, and you already made a video, download the video, run the transcription, push it through ChatGPT to turn it into a persuasive blog-style article, add your hyperlinks, add your illustrations, and you're done. Something like this, I mean, you saw how quick this was. This really takes no time at all, but to have listened to this video, rewritten it, and come up with illustrations in the past could have taken 2 or 3 hours. Now it wrote a whole blog article in what, 5 minutes? You can do this to completely supercharge your marketing strategy, drive more visitors to your website, and make more money.